Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get your LinkedIn profile URL. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on vital information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, now the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play or App Store, search for LinkedIn and make sure LinkedIn is up to date. So I'm going to click on Update, give that a few moments, the update. Alright, now click on Open. Now make sure to sign into your LinkedIn account, which I will do now. Click into your profile. Click into your profile again to view profile. And now on this page here, scroll down to see the three dots. Click on that. And now click on Share Profile. Now you've got a few options here. You can copy the URL or send it directly to your messages, Snapchat, email, WhatsApp. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and copy URL. And now I'm going to open up my notes and paste that URL there so then you can see what your profile URL looks like. Alright, there you go. That's your link to your profile URL for LinkedIn. Alright, that's the end of this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.